Hello?
All right. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Bana tsangairo okubabonaku. Esaawa eno tuli kusimbula tujja Busoga ya Kamuli. This is just to inform all our friends, fans and supporters all over the world, but most importantly in Busoga. We are setting off now. We're going to Kamuli to commence our nationwide tour. We pray that all is going to go well. As usual, we encourage our teams to be disciplined. We know that the regime might want to impede us, but we have done everything within the law. We have ticked every box, and we are set. We are heading to Kamuli now. Thank you very much.
President, do you think things are going to go well when police say you should not move because they halted the mobilization tour last time?
But police has not written to us. Police has not written to us. We wrote to them. We know that everything we're doing is within the law, just like other political parties. We've seen other political parties moving. So we believe that for as long as we are doing everything within the law, we have no problem, and we hope the police will not break the law like they usually do.
Mugana.
Police teyatuwandikiddeko baluwa yonna ntongole getuyimiriza okukola emirimu gyaffe, ate tumanyi nti buli kye tukola tuli mu kikola mu mateeka. Ng'era bw'olaba ebibiina ebirala ne ttiimu endala batambula abakikola amateeka, olaba ne Muhoozi takikola mateeka naye atambula. So buli muntu atambula, buli kye tukola tukikolera amateeka. So tusuubira nti poliisi ejja kuuma amateeka ate ereme kubeera mmenya amateeka yo kennyini. Bwe tusuubira, bwe twandisuubidde, bwe twandyagadde kuba amateeka bwe galagira. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay.
We are the National Inter Platform. Aliko recordinga. Omulaba. Yes. This is the Nile Bridge. Has no names. He can't be identified. We don't know. Talk to us. Yes. Mumu recording first year bajimanyi. He is the one commanding. Yes. He is the one commanding. You can see their faces.
Family was ordering.
But an unlawful order also given you. The order is unlawful. Wasibe. 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 Alikola ikinga sharinga. President, convoy ya president. Leader of opposition has come out to engage them. The secretary general and the leader of opposition. Tries to engage them. It seems he's receiving more orders, unlawful orders, orders that